Let us learn what does it mean by symmetry. Look how beautiful is butterfly. Do you observe? The left wing of the butterfly matches exactly with its right wing. Yes, we can say that the shape of its butterfly is symmetrical about the dotted line has shown. A shape is said to be symmetrical if it can be folded or divided along a line such that the two parts so obtained are exactly the same. The line that divides an object into two symmetrical wholes is known as the line of symmetry. Let us see the line of symmetry in some other symmetrical figures. Note, figure may have one or more lines of symmetry. You must have played with deck of cards many a times. But have you observed designs on these cards closely? All these designs are symmetrical. Observe this figure. It can be folded along with the line of symmetry. Observe how to make a symmetrical figures. Take piece of paper and fold it. Draw any figure which you like and cut it. When you open it, you can see two holes, first half and second half. Both are symmetrical and you can see the line of symmetry. Like this, you can make some symmetrical figures. Look at some examples of symmetry. Let us observe some English alphabets line of symmetry. Here you must have observed line of symmetry can be vertical, horizontal, or it can be vertical and horizontal both. Some alphabets do not have any line of symmetry. Let us understand axis of geometrical figures. Look at this triangle. It is an isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal. You can see that the axis of symmetry is vertical. If I suppose I draw this triangle in another way, here you can see the line of symmetry can be horizontal, but it has got only one axis of symmetry. If you fold, right part is taken over to the left, we see that it overlaps exactly. Now, you must be thinking, can a shape have more than one axis of symmetry? Yes. Look at this rectangle. It has two axes of symmetry, horizontal as well as vertical symmetry. If we fold it vertically or horizontally, one part of this is flipped over exactly with the other part. You can observe here it cannot be folded diagonally. Look at this equilateral triangle. All sides equal and all angles equal. So, it can have three lines of symmetry. Take the example of square. All sides are equal and all angles are right angle. So, the square has got four axes of symmetry. Has a horizontal as well as vertical symmetry just like rectangle. But for a square, two diagonals also be the axis of symmetry if we fold it with these diagonals. Observe this regular hexagon. It has 6 equal sides and 6 equal angles. How many axes of symmetry does regular hexagon has? Okay, let us see vertical, horizontal, diagonal. Do you think any more? Yes, line joining the midpoints of these two opposite sides. Like this, you can draw a 6 lines of symmetry in regular hexagon. Can you guess how many lines of symmetry a circle has? Circle has infinite axes of symmetry. No matter how we draw the line passing through the center. The two parts formed will always fold perfectly along that line. What we saw in this video is a reflectional symmetry. We usually see ourselves in the mirror when we get ready to go out. Our reflection looks exactly the same. The reflection of an object in a place mirror creates a symmetrical image. The surface of mirror acts as a line of symmetry. If a symmetrical figure gets divided by an axis in the figure into two parts which fall exactly on each other, its symmetry is called reflectional symmetry. Observe that the butterfly is its reflection and symmetrical to each other. You must have observed a symmetrical object can be divided into two identical wholes. The reflection of an object in a plane mirror creates a symmetrical image. The line of symmetry divides a symmetrical object into two identical wholes. When an object is reflected, there is no change in the size of the object, but it gets reversed. I am sure you must have understood the concept of symmetry.